Hi everybody, this is Diana from Sweet y Salado, and today we're gonna make a super easy recipe for the summer, and that's how to make an Oreo milkshake that you can actually make with any kind of Oreo flavored cookie and your favorite vanilla ice cream. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below. So to make this milkshake, all we have to do is place everything in a blender, starting with the vanilla ice cream. We're also gonna add whole milk. And then finally, we're gonna add our favorite Oreo cookies. And now all we have to do is blend it really well and then serve it. And if you want your milkshake to be a little bit thicker, you can add a lot more ice cream, or if you want it more liquidy, you can add more milk. And then finally, we're just gonna serve it with some crushed Oreos on top. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.